Okay, it's Monday. We're getting ready to do the demo. How's it going, Brad?
Yep.
It's not going good, is it? He's working with utilities.
Yeah, fun.
So the electric, for some reason they can shut it off Thursday, but they can't hook it back up.
Yeah, they have assessments, and I've had an electrician who does this all the time. He's trying to get it set, and he can't. So now I'm on it. So here we go.
All right, but gas should be coming today. I don't know if they're shutting things off or whether they're just assessing.
No, our assessment was when that guy showed up last week.
Oh, okay.
This is shutting off the meter.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I got laundry I gotta do. I gotta go. This little porch attached to the house has to be moved. So we gotta clean it out. Brad's taking some screws off and see if we can use the skid steer with the forks to move it.
Yep.
I got nothing to lose, right? And then we're going to set it up to try to make it into like a shed for storage of some stuff.
So this is attached to the house, so I'm gonna put a couple of 2x4s to hold the roof up and just unscrew it all off the house, unscrew the base plate off the house.
Just cut the legs off?
Well, pick it up, see what happens.
Yeah, okay.
And then, I don't know.
It's raining today, though. That's not helping.
But it's...
I'm a little annoyed with that.
It's a good little waterproof shed that's 20 feet by... I think it's 8 feet by 20 feet. So, same as the sea can.
Yeah, oh, that's right. Yeah.
We got a bunch of extra room here and hopefully not too much extra effort.
There must have been a regatta or something. We've been seeing all week these tall ships, and this one is just beautiful go by. Another one. And a cruise ship. Well, here's the rain.
Yeah.
That's not good. I'm not moving furniture to the sea can in this.
A little muddy.
I know I said I wasn't coming in the attic again, but we have to
We are.
Yeah, here we are. We might as well use this material here. This chipboard. I think there's some two by
guys
fours.
screwed it down to 2x4s to
That'd be nice.
make it all flat, so...
He needs to make a temporary house for power. They're coming tomorrow to hook up our temporary power, which we're really excited about because initially they weren't going to be able to do that for a month or two, and that was going to really suck to not have power here. So that's what we're doing next. So we kind of forgot what we used for the flooring, but there's quite a bit of material. Ripped some 2x4s.
Yeah, in half. So we laid them down and screwed all the stuff to it. So
yeah, it was all in there for temporary
on top of the
insulation. We just needed some short-term storage is what we used this for. So
it turned into 5 years.
Yeah, so that's good. We're very lucky today to have the electrician to be able to come out and hook up our temporary power. And also, today's Thursday, the inspector only comes on Thursdays, and they got that arranged. So we are waiting for the inspector. So we've had our power cut out now for a couple hours while they're working, and then they'll come back and hook us back up. But initially they said we would be a couple months without power. They'd be able to cut it off so we could do our work, but not hook us back up. So minor miracle here that we're able to pull it together. I still have my fingers crossed. We still have some couches to move. This one and this one. This one's really old. There's a chair that goes with it too. But it was my grandparents, and it was the first new furniture that they ever bought. So I've kept it this long. I just can't bear the thought of getting rid of it yet. This cabinet to the basement. Already 2 of them down there. Washer and dryer to the garage. Fridge is going to the garage. Washer will go store in the basement. Microwave will store with the dishwasher in the basement. Just stack it down there. The stove is going to the road. See if anybody wants it. This table. We got this table at, is it Big Lots? It was a $700 table. We got in a box. It was on sale for $70, and we thought, oh, what are we going to get for that? We unpacked this. It's beautiful. I love it. So I got to get that in sea can too. It's 4:45 and we still have all that stuff to do. Now we could do some tomorrow, but we do have a porch to move also, which we'll have to do in the morning or tonight. I don't know. It's a little overwhelming. The bins have arrived. One of them has. One's coming in the morning. Trent's going to be here at 7 o'clock in the morning, and the excavator's coming tomorrow to tear down the 2-story. But we still have a lot to do. It's pretty tiring. We're getting exhausted, but I can't wait to have this part done. Excavator is delivered. We got 2 bins. We got an operator. They're just going to move the porch right now. And then we'll get at demoing this center piece, the 2-story. Right there. Goodbye. Good rinse, if you ask me. I've had it. Ready to move on to new chapters. There's the sea can. A lot more in there, but there's still some room, thank goodness, because we still have the other half of the house that there's a few things in that need to come in here. There they are, scheming to move this porch. So the idea of the porch there is to move it out of the way. They'll secure it first, and that way we can use it for some storage, some outdoor storage, because it won't be sealed up from mice. This is at the front door. You come in. Closets, they are empty. That's the laundry room. Washer and dryer have been removed. Goodbye. You come in. There's upstairs. Awful steep set of stairs with big steps. Carpet room. Look at this. I did like this room. I like the paneling. We took off the valance around to see if we could use that somewhere. Here's this goofy porch. The one side is the porch. They only did half of this nice, beautiful, big 8-foot sliding door, which would have had a river view. They only put half a porch on because they had a tree when we moved in, right there. Which that's one of our first jobs that we did. Crazy bathroom in here. I won't miss you. I've had my last bath in that awful tub. I do like that old light, but I don't have time. Don't have time to salvage. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. So these are 9-foot ceilings in here. That's been nice. Up here, it is not. It is 7-foot ceilings up here. Here's the bedroom that Avery's stuff was in, all cleaned out. She did a wonderful job. There's the guys down there organizing. Okay. The wall of closets emptied. This room here emptied. The Snuggie in the back emptied. TV doesn't work. We're just gonna leave it there and smash it. Okay. So that's it. Goodbye. We're not going up in the attic. We've already done that. More than I'd like to. And look at these stairs. I've done them more than I'd like to. I'm not sure about this plan. See Brad's riding inside there. Oh my gosh, it's working. Look at that. It's actually working. So he's thinking he's gonna back it down. Oh gosh. This is crazy.
Don't back down.
No. Oh my gosh.
It was, you were coming too far, it was gonna tip. So, if you get,
This is crazy. So now their plan is to back down this hill. I'm about ready to just go in the house. I can't take it. they've decided to cut the legs off underneath. See, these. Set it down and get recentered. That was easy. Like to see what the view would be inside without the porch on. Well, I mean, I got the porch is still in the way of the view, so wait until this is done. Look, it's like a stage. It's even got the lights in it still.
We dance? Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Get the karaoke.
Oh, Trent's good at karaoke. Maybe I'll have to add that into my video. Left, right, left, right, left.
Left, right, left. Woo! Fussing, shooting, 8 ball, throwing darts at the wall. Leaning down, she 10 feet tall. Here she comes, Lord help us all. Though she dealt with girlfriend, done slapped her out of chair. Poor old boy, it ain't his fault. It's so hard not to stare at that honky tonk, donkey donk.
Please remember, this is not a how-to video. This is not how-to, this is how we do. I'll get the other side. Well, I got it down the hill. Now we just have to get it turned the right way. I'm out in the dock. So the side to us that does not have a wall, I believe, is going to go against the rocks over there. We'll worry about closing it in later, because we probably can use some salvage materials for that. Okay. Careful I don't fall in the water from the dock here. That'd be quite the video, wouldn't it? Big oopsie, I go in the drink. You know, jobs like this, they take skill. You know, you gotta have some knowledge of equipment and that, but more than anything, you have to have nerve. We got a lot of nerve going on here. Like we're gonna do it. Yeah, we probably shouldn't. We shouldn't. But it's happening. You guys are giving me a heart attack. I don't know what I'm worried
the way
about.
Brad works. And Trent.
The worst case scenario is that it falls apart, and who cares, right? We got nothing to lose. He's gonna pull it over here to try to straighten it out from this side.
Crazy if it works.
It's good. It. Oh. Whoa! You gotta rock this way.
Now you can get it on the side.
Little obstacle here.
Okay, yep.
Look at that! Woohoo! That's in place now. Needs a little work, but it's in place. And we can move forward with the demo of the two-story.